because our nerd friend asks a very existential question. Why do we need a parliament? Fair question, right? We in India pride ourselves on being a democracy. Here we will try and understand the relation between the ideas of participation in decision making and the need for all democratic governments to have the consent of their citizens. चलिए consent देखते हैं. Get me a bill. Okay. Yeah. पीछे से anyone wants to pass? Oh wow. You will make a great MP. Tip, pepper spray लेके जाना का. Or smoke box. Okay, let's read this. The Right to Audit Police Act. With the word cameras written in it. But इसमें ear नहीं डाला है, rejected. National Freedom from ANI Copyright Bill 2024. Intense. कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता. What is the count now? 9. A Moment of Science Bill 2024. And not pseudoscience in bracket. Okay? Facts are facts bill. Okay, fair enough. I like this one. So, we're gonna pass it. Okay, who wrote this one? Yeah, okay, you're going to get up and say, I introduced the bill. Projector mat hila bas. Okay, say.
I introduced the bill.
मेरे पे देख लो बे. I'm the speaker. Member, eyes front.
I introduced the bill.
Thank you, Minister. Okay. Pledge. मोदी जी. आप भी आ गए आज. मैप बन गया. वो पास करना है. अखंड भारत का होगा तो. नेता प्रतिपक्ष तू नेता प्रतिपक्ष है. I don't know why he keeps reminding him of that all the time. Did you notice? Like every time he's like, माननीय सदस्य आप नेता प्रतिपक्ष है. माननीय सदस्य आप नेता प्रतिपक्ष है. अरे भाई पता है. What? I think it's like he's telling himself again and again. Because he can't believe it sometimes. Anyway, National Freedom from ANI Copyright Bill 2024. All those in favor say aye. Aye. All those against say no. I think the no's have it, because you don't have consent. It is these elements that together make us a democracy. And this is best expressed in the institution of parliament. In this chapter, we will try to see how the parliament enables citizens of India to participate in decision making and control the government. Thus making it the most important symbol of Indian democracy and a key feature of the constitution, right? The thing is, we idealize the parliament. Do you realize this? Like institutions and MPs, like, oh God, my baap. We have this habit. In reality, if you work inside, you realize that the parliament is a freaking K-drama. Let me show you. हम आलू के लिए रिश्ता ढूंढ रहे थे. देखिए, this is my producer Alu, my baby. 4 years old now. सयानी हो गई है लड़की. So we were like, sadly देख रही थी एक दिन. I was like, रिश्ता ढूंढते. We found one. Meet the groom, handsome Henry. This is handsome Henry, right? Groom, very nice doggo, very handsome. We showed it to Alu. Alu was like. Then we showed her mom, Mahua Moitra. Now we were like, Mahua Moitra, super liberal, अच्छे खानदान से. You know, like sometimes she goes out to party and you know dresses up and whatever. Dubai भी जाती है. His dad, Jayanand Dehadre. इन दोनों का लफड़ा चल रहा था. Affair, guys, relationship. It was serious. You can tell because together they decided to adopt Henry. Both loved the dog. Then कलेश हो गया, breakup. What happens when parents separate? Custody battle. Now they went to court. Literally, they were fighting who gets to keep Henry. Henry तो trauma में चला ही गया बेचारा. And there were reports that when Jay Anand Dehadre was not home, Mahua Moitra would jump his compound and steal the dog. Then when she was not home, he would do the same. And then one time he came back because he forgot his belt. Okay, now Kalesh chal raha tha. Jay Anand Dehadre wanted to prove that he loves Henry the most. And now at this point, इतना escalate हो गया था कि she's like, this is my enemy now. And it's like, I need help. So then he found this fellow. This is Nishikant Dubey of the BJP, new member of the chairman of the IT committee. The other guy is not important. Not important. इन दोनों का कलेश चल रहा था. You know why? Mahua Moitra had alleged that Nishikant Dubey has a fake degree and he should be suspended from parliament. Again, other guy, not important. So then Jay Anand Dehadre was like, अरे दुश्मन का दुश्मन मतलब दोस्त, maybe even प्यार. नहीं ये सब नहीं बताऊंगा. So yeah, they came up with this amazing conspiracy. Amazing, genius, right? There is this guy called Darshan Hiranandani. Okay, now Darshan Hiranandani is the son of the Hiranandani. Building पे देखा होगा. He lives in Dubai, yeah, and these are best friends. I told you she goes to Dubai, right? To meet best friend. Now she used to go sometimes, chill with him, chill in his office, home, whatever. Then she would get tired and lazy, and then she would be like, अरे आपके typist को बोल दो एक दो question चल लेके parliament में file कर दे. And typist would be like, मैम डाल दिया. What these two saw was foreign interference. They were like, दुबई से Indian parliament में questions जा रहा है. How? Why? I was like, NIC का fault नहीं लग रहा है थोड़ा सा. IP address वगैरह अलाउ ही क्यों किया बाहर से? No, इसकी गलती है, foreign interference. Then they escalated it, where they were like, they took out all of her 143 questions from parliament asked in 5 years. उसमें से 32 specifically identified which were related to business sir. नाम नहीं ले सकते because ये छोटा business sir है, right? This is छोटा business sir, and as it happens in late stage capitalism, छोटा business sir are all jealous of बड़ा business sir, right? So they will try to take down बड़ा business sir naturally. So Darshan Hiranandani apparently उसके ऑफिस में बैठ के बड़े बिजनेस सर के बिजनेसेस के बारे में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं. Oh my God, and she is taking cash for this, right? So they were like, the questions are being filed with a motive from a foreign country to take down India. So हुआ क्या उसके बाद? Suspended, kicked out of parliament. और कोई तो भी खुश हो गया. It doesn't matter, but he was very happy. Trust me. Then woman came back. Everybody's like, yeah, Mahua. Then she recently blocked me. Because I asked her, why aren't you saying anything about RG Kar? She blocked Ajit Anjum and me, and everybody was asking questions, and then 6 hours later she was like, I'm so sorry, मेरे social media team ने block कर दिया. But Mamata Banerjee, do you know, she was protesting against herself. It is in these moments where I realized, with a short-circuited brain, that our parliament is a K-drama. And Alu aaj bhi kuwari hai. If you have any grooms, please send pictures to magnerd@gmail.com. Cats allowed also. I don't judge. So yeah, is this a K-drama? All those in favor say aye. Aye. Eyes have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, so I am doing a live show in Gurgaon and Delhi on the 7th and 8th. It is a show called Democracy IRL, where I teach 8 standard civics to adults in the form of a stand-up. So if you are someone who is interested in having a good time for one hour 20 minutes, then I highly recommend you go to book my show and find the ticket links, and please come. Please come. It is very fun. I tell you, I've already done it in like 10 cities and it has been fun. So far, great reactions and great reviews. So yeah, that's it. Now bye.